CoinJar Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The CoinJar Wallet app is one of the oldest and most trusted crypto wallets in the market, but does it still hold up today? Let's explore the pros and cons so you can decide if it's the right fit for your crypto journey. Starting with the pros, CoinJar stands out for its simplicity and reliability. Founded in 2013, it's backed by years of experience and a strong reputation in both Australia and the UK. The app makes buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrencies incredibly straightforward, even for beginners. Another major advantage is support for multiple assets. CoinJar allows users to trade and store popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more than 50 other coins. It also supports instant conversions between assets, making portfolio management smooth and fast. The user interface is one of the cleanest in the industry. Transactions are easy to track, and features like recurring buys or instant card payments make investing consistent and convenient. Security is also a strong point. CoinJar uses two-factor authentication, cold storage for funds, and encryption, offering a balance of convenience and safety. Plus, it's regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, giving users an extra layer of confidence. Now, the cons. CoinJar's fees can be higher than some global exchanges, especially when trading less popular tokens or using credit cards for purchases. Another drawback is limited geographic reach. While it's expanding, CoinJar's core services mainly cater to users in Australia and the UK, meaning not everyone can access its full features. Lastly, it's not fully decentralized. You don't control your private keys in the main app, which may not appeal to crypto purists who prefer full self-custody. In conclusion, the CoinJar Wallet app is perfect for users who want a trustworthy, regulated, and easy-to-use wallet for managing their crypto. The surprising truth? It might not be the cheapest or most feature-rich wallet, but it's one of the safest and most reliable ways to get started in crypto today.